Hello guys, this is another quick tutorial on how to block an email address on Gmail. Open your Gmail account and ensure you are logged in. Now locate and click on the Gmail you want to block to open the mail. Once it's opened, you click the three dots at the top of the page beside the email address. In the options below, click on filter messages like this, or you click on block women for digital. So you click on create filter. Now you select the delete it option. Then you click create filter. So now you're able to block an email address in Gmail. So that's all you have to do. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe bell for more content. Bye.